In this video, we will be doing multi-time frame analysis and we will see what kind of capitalizing opportunity can be found. This analysis is made educational so that you can learn how to analyze the market yourself. What kind of situation do we have on Euro USD? Starting from the monthly, what we can see is that after making this double bottom, the market made a huge rejection to the upside. Another concept which we have discussed multiple times in our past analysis is that whenever the market makes a candle with this type of long tail, we can expect the market to cover the tail in the next candle. Similarly, you can see at this point when the market made this tail on the red candle, in the next few candles the market covered the tail. So this is a concept which has been proved viable multiple times and we have discussed it multiple times in our past analysis. Moving down to the weekly chart, what we can see is that the market recently in the past week broke above the structure, very important structure resistance, which the market has tested multiple times. It was tested at this point, a rejection at this point, and this time the market broke above the structure resistance. And what do we expect? We expect the market to retest the structure resistance, which is now turned structure support, then continue its movement towards the upside. One important thing is that we are reactive in the market and not predictive, and for now the market is strongly bullish and there is not any kind of indication that the market will be making any type of retracement. Similarly, coming to the daily chart, what we can see is that after breaking the structure resistance, the market is strongly bullish to the upside and making explosions, breaking all the structure resistance. So first of all, we cannot take any type of shorting opportunity in the current condition. I'm telling you again and again, don't sell Euro USD unless or until the market gives us an indication of retracement, because in the current situation the market can and market should continue its movement towards the upside. So what will we do? But there's a chance that on the next week we can monitor the price action of the market on the 4-hour chart. Why the 4-hour chart? Because monthly, weekly and daily time frames are just to analyze the direction of the market. 4-hour chart is to get our confirmed entry point. So if we find the market changing its momentum to the downside, showing a confirmed shift in the downward direction, then in that case we can have a good shorting opportunity with what will be our target. If we take a Fibonacci from this point, our target will be at this specific point 0.618 and 0.786. So if the market shows an indication that the market will be moving towards the downside on the 4-hour chart, then we can have a good shorting opportunity. Otherwise we will wait, because the market can and market should continue its trend to the upside. So if you liked our analysis, do like and subscribe and join our mentorship program and learn the best strategies which have been tested for more than 5 years and have a success rate of more than 90%.